Here's a comprehensive list of American baseball terminology with explanations to help you understand the language of the game. General baseball terms: at bat, AB, an official turn at hitting, excluding walks or sacrifices. Base, one of 4 points the batter must touch to score a run: first base, second base, third base, and home plate. Ball, a pitch outside the strike zone that the batter does not swing at. 4 balls equal a walk. Strike, a pitch within the strike zone that the batter misses or doesn't swing it, or any swing that misses the ball. Strike zone, the area over home plate between the batter's knees and the midpoint of their torso. Run, a point scored when a player circles all the bases and touches home plate. Inning, a segment of the game consisting of each team having a turn at bat. There are 9 innings in a regulation game. Dugout, the bench area where players and coaches sit when not on the field. Player roles. Pitcher, the player who throws the ball to the batter. Catcher, the player positioned behind home plate who catches pitches and defends against base stealers. Outfielder, a player stationed in the grassy area beyond the infield, left field, center field, or right field. Infielder, a player positioned near the bases and pitcher's mound: first baseman, second baseman, shortstop, third baseman. Designated hitter, DH, a player who bats in place of the pitcher, used in the American League. Batting turns. Home run, a hit that allows the batter to round all the bases and score without stopping, often by hitting the ball over the outfield fence. Single, double, triple, hits that allow the batter to reach first base, single, second base, double, or third base, triple. Grand slam, a home run hit when all 3 bases are occupied, resulting in 4 runs. Line drive, a hard hit ball that travels in a straight line. Pop fly, a ball hit high into the air, typically caught for an out. Bunt, a soft hit made by holding the bat steady to lightly tap the ball. Swing and miss, when the batter swings at a pitch but fails to hit it. Walk, base on balls, awarded to the batter after receiving 4 balls during an at-bat. Pitching turns. Fastball, a pitch thrown at high speed, often exceeding 90 miles per hour. Curveball, a pitch that arcs downward or sideways due to spin. Slider, a pitch that breaks sharply sideways as it nears the batter. Changeup, a slower pitch designed to throw off the batter's timing. Strikeout, K, when a batter receives 3 strikes in an at-bat. Wild pitch, a pitch so far off target that the catcher cannot control it. Perfect game, a game in which the pitcher does not allow any opposing player to reach base. No-hitter, a game in which the pitcher allows no hits by the opposing team. Fielding turns. Double play, a defensive play resulting in 2 outs. Error, a mistake by a fielder that allows a batter or runner to advance. Caught stealing, when a runner is tagged out attempting to steal a base. Tag out, when a fielder tags a runner with the ball to record an out. Force out, when a fielder steps on a base with the ball before the runner arrives, forcing them out. Fly out, when a fielder catches a ball hit into the air before it touches the ground. Game strategy turns. Steal, when a base runner advances to the next base while the pitcher is throwing the ball. Sacrifice fly, a fly ball that allows a runner to score after it's caught. Hit and run, a play where the runner starts running as the batter swings to try to hit the ball. Pinch hitter, a substitute batter brought in to replace another player. Pinch runner, a substitute runner used for speed or strategy. Unique and fun terms. Bullpen, the area where relief pitchers warm up. On deck, the next batter in line to hit. RBI, runs batted in, a statistic tracking how many runs a batter helps score. Walk off, a hit or play that ends the game, typically in the home team's favor in the final inning. Bat flip, when a batter tosses their bat after hitting, often seen as celebratory or controversial. Ground rule double, a hit that bounces out of play, such as over the fence, awarding the batter 2 bases. These terms form the core vocabulary of baseball and help players, fans, and commentators describe the action on the field. Mastering them is key to understanding and enjoying the game.